White. And red. They're so beautiful.
It's playtime, guys!
Yay! Look at all the items we have.
Pretty appealing.
Yes, so many colors. Purple, green, yellow, and blue.
And red.
And red. Let's start. Step 1 is complete. Let's test it out. Ooh, cool. Whoa.
Going around, soaring.
There's 2. It's making me dizzy. Let's see 4. And this one. 5. Yay! It worked. Yep. Let's try the jumper.
Whoa. It's super fast.
What? It's moving!
So cool.
I love it! Let's check the wheels out.
Whoa.
Left, right. Yay! It's so fun. Whoa, they went together too!
Yeah. Let's make the complete setup now.
Yay! We're done with the setup! Woohoo! It has wheels, loops, and so much more! Oh yeah! Let's give it a go!
marble will start its journey through this yellow wheel, swirling around the yellow funnel. I'll keep on going through the purple wheel and through the ladder. We're going into another funnel, making our way through the S-shaped connector and going through another wheel and the snake. And here comes the last purple wheel, which will mark the marble's journey. And this is the elaborated version. The whole setup. Wow, it's looking so pretty.